Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to reset this lock, that's a travel bag code lock. Actually, I kept this bag idle for nearly a year, and I forgot the code. Luckily, I didn't lock this zip. I kept it open and I have forgotten this code. So now I will show you how to reset the code. Okay, need a screwdriver. You need a screwdriver to do this. Let unzip the cover. Okay. As you can see, there is a velcro there. Just give me that on the both the sides. Pull this internal cover outside. This here, and here now you can see this is the locking part, this one. So we need to unscrew these two screws. Remove these two screws. Okay. This is the support from back side, and here this is the lock. Just see that none of the parts fall. Okay. Now we will try to open this. As you can see, be careful. There are some springs inside. There will be some springs, and if those springs come out, they jump outside, then it will be very difficult to assemble it back. Okay. Now this is the mechanism. Now thing is, this lock should slide this side. So what we need to do is just keep slowly. You can see a notch here inside this one. You can see a notch here. So bring it on the left side, and it's this way, one, and second one, and this is third one. So that's it. Now this lock will open. Okay, hope you understood it. Hope you understood the logic behind this. Now I'll see the code I had forgotten. Turn it, and here you go. You see the code was 361, which I had forgotten. Now the lock will work perfectly. If I want, I can change this code now by pulling the lock release lever and changing the code, but now I will not change it. So now we'll fix it back. For fixing it back, just Okay, now we'll fix this. Here you can see these two holes, 1 and 2. So hold this lock this way, and now take this support, back support of the lock. Fix it exactly in the place, this way, the lower one and the upper one here. Now take the screws, fasten both the screws. Actually, this method or finding out the clock code, it can be done even by without disassembling the lock, but I can't show you that method because it may be misused. Just fasten the screw gently. When you feel it's fastened tightly, then don't try to force it more, you may damage the threads. Now here you go, fix the velcro properly here. Now fasten this zip for covering the inside of the bag. Yes. Okay, now let's lock it and check. As we got the code, the previous code itself, I have not reset it. So just press it. Okay, now it's locked. So let us unlock it now again. Lock was 361. Yes, the lock is working fine and there is no damage done to the lock. Hope this video was helpful for you and useful and got good of information about resetting the lock code of a travel bag, 3-digit lock code. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.